We're fixing a 2014 Ford Explorer utility. The horn was cut and rerun through some other weird wiring. Instead of going and trying to track down the fuse box and all that stuff, you've got to find this purple and green wire that is fused together here. This cord was fed into here. Pull it all the way out. You'll have this. Strip down the wires and just connect both of them together, and then the horn works. It's that simple. So again, your purple and green wires come up. Pull this out of the housing that goes underneath the plate here. It was coming in, it was going into here. Pull that out. Strip down this wire here. Connect those two wires and the horn will work.